Today, magluluto tayo ng Pancit Lomi Guisado or Chinese lo mein. Narito ang mga ingredients. Now, let's saute garlic and onions. Add the chicken, carrots, celery, red bell pepper and cabbage, at bean sprouts. Now we will add our egg mix. Please note that I have pre-cooked my noodles so it's ready for stir frying. We will just mix this and then we will add our sauces. Now we will add our soy sauce, oyster sauce, mix, mix, mix. Now we will add a dash of sesame oil. And some freshly ground black pepper. Because my pot is small, I add the noodles in 2 batches and add some more sauces. I also added 2 tablespoons of vinegar para hindi siya madaling mapanis. Haluin lang natin to hanggang ang lahat ng sauce ay nasipsip na ng ating noodles. There you have it, ang ating chicken pancit lomi guisado or chicken Chinese lo mein. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notification for future recipes like this.